It's time for Kev Quest. So, Dairy Queen. I have not been to Dairy Queen in a very long time, so they're having their limited edition Nest Drumstick, which is the ice cream that it was usually on the cone, which is like with everything to it. And this is actually a blizzard, so you can see like mine starting to melt already. But it's just really cool because they did bring this back for a limited time only once again. And I was gonna say this actually looks really good to taste. And not further ado, Dairy Queen. And like the cool thing is it's mostly peanuts and then everything to it. So here, not further ado, here we go. Okay. To precisely on that, I would actually give this 10 out of 10. It's really good overall, and like I said, it is a limited time only. Me too as well. But what did I say? It was actually really good. So there's a lot more things out there on this menu for Dairy Queen, which I just found out. And usually Dairy Queen comes up with so much cool, fun stuff for the time that they have. And everything to it, and like Dairy Queen, gotta do it once again. Apparently, here I am doing it. So, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a on if I'm posting any videos. Leave the comments down below. And see you guys next time only on Kev Quest.